Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson Stylus SX415. Now, unlike other printers on the market, you can't just open the scanner bed of the printer and have it slide over to one side. We need to go through a menu on the printer itself. So first of all, we press Setup, and then we need to move along to Maintenance using the arrow buttons on the front of the printer. So press OK to go in, and then we press down until we get to change ink cartridge. Press OK again. Now your printer will get ready to replace the ink cartridges. Now we open up the scanner bed by just lifting here, and we find that the carriage has already moved over into the ink cartridge replacement position. So we just pull down on the grey here to open up the top, exposing the 4 ink cartridges. Now you can just take these in and out as you please, whatever you need to replace. Pop in your replacements, close it up, and away you go. When everything has been replaced, just let the printer know here, so press OK. Now your printer will check the integrity of the cartridges, make sure it's happy with them all, leaving you to carry on printing. Now, I hope you found this useful. We do have a couple of other videos for this printer on our channel, so check those out if there's anything else you want to know, or let us know what you want to know in the comments below. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.